sa inyong lahat. Today po, nagpatikim po tayo ng sinampalukang manok sa ating mga tikimas. Nagluluto na po ako ngayon. Sinasama ko na yung para sa mga homeless po na nadadaanan natin. So guys, ito na po yung aking mga na-portion. Sinupot ko na rin po. Ayan. At least naka-plastic para hindi matapon. Okay, let's go! That's chicken.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
That's chicken.
Yeah, one more please. Too much hungry.
Too much hungry.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Hi, Kevin. Alright, what happened?
I wasn't there. I just came looking for some part-time work. People who normally.
No, I saw you earlier. And then I thought you're coming and then you disappear.
Yeah, I went to see maybe someone will give me something to do. You know, Sundays are so quiet.
There's chicken today.
Thank you, ma'am.
I don't see Fortune today.
Yeah, I also never seen him. I don't think the same.
So you didn't see Fortune today?
I never seen.
Okay. Enjoy, Kevin. That's chicken.
Thanks.
Okay. Hello. That is chicken.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes.
Bye-bye. This is my link. How's the food?
Thank you so much.
You want more?
Yes, please, more chicken.
Alright. I saw you enjoy eating.
Yes, I was hungry. Now,
Oh, okay.
thank you so much.
Give a smile on the face. Taking a video. How's the food? Okay, this is supposed to be for Fortune, but since he's not here, you can have it. Alright. There you go, guys. Hi, Becca. Thank you, Becca, for the help. These two girls are helping me doing our sharing the blessing. Ayan. Thank you. And Christina is busy in the room now editing. Anyway, guys, we didn't see Fortune, so we just gave extra to Kevin and the other guy there, yung gutom. We gave a smile on the face. Ang saya ng pakiramdam. So, ayan po. Na-share na naman po natin ang ating small blessing sa mga homeless guys. Eh. And yeah, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na po ito. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe po. Please support our channel. Bye!